just saying we're not doing anything else. Like, prime example, Dave, I feel this in my bones. I do. It's not the cold weather either. It's
Totally cut them off, man. That's crazy. Okay, Presto.
See
if I got that on camera.
You got to get furniture because you got a new house. You need a new couch. The old couch can't come to a new house. Yes, it can.
From the FDA with its own analysis of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine ahead of this meeting of its outside advisors on Friday. We are getting the first glimpse at
that seems hard to deliver, but he's
okay, Presto.
That's been filed, which is kind of wild. The thing's barely been out, but as we mentioned in the past,
wow,
talking about this control.
Okay, Presto.
Sony has been pretty good about fixing previous versions and the little tiny things that have been wrong with it at launch.
Look at this guy going the wrong way. This guy act like he don't know how to drive. Okay, Presto. One going the wrong way, the other one act like he don't know how to drive. Can't make this up.